Francia. ST. Paris. Mbappe! Alright guys, so today we're going to be doing the World Cup opening pack again. And we're going to try to aim for a purple, if you guys don't know, from the 10. Does it say it? Does it say Messi?
There.
Right, a purple Messi. Alright, let's go. Alright guys. If it's not obvious already, we're going for a purple Messi. Anyways, alright, now let's get professional, man. Alright, first one. Don't mind my black spots I was painting. Technical difficulties here. It's a blue. Oh my god, wait. Stop playing.
I think it's everything.
Stop playing.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna open it. Nico Williams. No lo conozco. Karim Benzema, what the hell? Oh, sorry. I don't know you. La caca!
La caca!
Alright, we got La caca. It's good, but it's not what we're looking for. What we are trying to aim for is a blue or a purple Messi. Kamaru? I think it's Kamaru. I'm sure it's Kamaru. Kamala Miller. Van Dyke. I don't know which one this one is. You guys gotta tell me. And then we got Thiago Silva for Brazil. Alright, this is what? The third one? So oh, blue. Alright, we got a blue. What is it for? Oh, Wales? Okay.
Too much whales.
Frank Castillo. Michael Charlie. Joel Campo. Kiev Moore. To be honest, still not a bad, but it's not what we're looking for, obviously. Oh shit. Messi. Spain, España. What the fuck? Anyways. Alright, no Messi, as you guys can see. We got four more to go. I don't know what's going on. Someone's watching a movie. Alright. Let's see what we got. Oh, damn. Is that? What's that? Brazil. Is that? Marquinhos! We got a blue Marquinhos. I don't think I got him, but very good. Alright, anyways, my cameraman is so immature. I swear to God. It's like she's 12. Alright. Messi? Neymar? Oh, Leon Alvarez. No Messi. Alright. Second to last one, it's not looking good. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't even know if we're gonna get him today. Okay. Rudiger. I'll keep you just because you made that goal versus. Fuck, who did they play? I don't know. But he scored a last minute header. Opened up his head. Got a bad cut. I seen it. You seen it? Anyways, back to the cards. Let's see.
This is the last one.
Yup, last one. Oh shit, Brazil. Oh my god. I thought it was gonna be like Neymar or like Anthony, but I'll take him too, obviously. Alright, so this was a fail. But anyways, what we're gonna do right now is show you what Jasmine has. Don't mind that.
I didn't put no players in yet. I just
Oh,
put the.
never mind. Eden Hazard. Alright, I'll hold the camera for now. Look what she got. She completed this one. She almost got the avatar, I guess you could say.
Yeah.
She got the stadiums. How much you got for Mexico?
I think I paid it.
Bruh, Jasmine just got a blue Chucky Lozano. Take it out, Jasmine. Well, I'll show them what you got from Mexico. You see the Mexican player? Damn, girl, you got no one.
I didn't put no one in there. I'm waiting for.
Yeah, she don't got a new one. There it is, a blue Chucky Lozano. I might have to steal it. I'm not even gonna lie.
Excuse you.
Anyways, my fault. England. She has a logo. You kind of.
I know. I kind of did it.
It's kind of off, but that was even more off. Qatar. Okay. Okay.
Come on, go on. Why are you going back?
Germany. It's kind of a little off.
Shut up.
Yes, sir. Francia.
I got this one today.
ST. Messi. Alright, that's probably gonna be it for today. Can you please hold the camera?
Oh, yeah, for sure. Am I getting paid?
We're gonna end it.
Am I
No,
getting
you're not
paid?
getting paid. Anyways, alright, so as you can see, this. Alright, we're gonna edit that one out. We're gonna take that shit up. We got Rudiger, Julian Alvarez, Marquinhos. This is a pretty good one. I'm not even gonna lie. Blue Marquinhos. We're gonna edit that one out too. Alright, we can edit it out, okay? Alright, anyways. Stop laughing, man. Jasmine, I need to be professional. Alright, so
You didn't even hit 100 though.
these are all the players we ended up with. You're a horrible camera. Anyway, oh shit, look at Brazil.
Oh yeah, Brazil.
Alright. We're gonna keep going for a blue Messi, but that's next video. Or next time.
Next short?
Next time.
Oh, yeah,
Alright.
for sure.
Bye. Yo! Alright, never mind. That's the thing! Alright. No. Alright.